Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to troubleshoot DNS issues in Active Directory Domain Controller. Let's start. The first one, how to solve unable join domain Windows 10 on Active Directory Domain Controller could not contacted. If you have this message on Active Directory domain, ensure that the domain name is typed correctly. I type correctly. The first step, check the basic network connectivity. Okay, type ipconfig. Okay, you can see the IP address. Open the Windows server. We have the IP address. Okay, in Windows server, I'm ping IP address Windows 10 192.168.168.3. Okay, we have reply. Okay, and in Windows 10, ping the IP address server 192.168.168.2. Okay, we have reply. Okay, step 2, enable network discovery. In Windows 10, open the network sharing, click change advanced, and here make sure you click on the turn on network discovery, and same for file and printing sharing, turn on. Step 3, verify DNS settings. Windows 10 client, open the network, click internet, change adapter, right click on the internet properties, double click on the internet protocol version 4, and here checkbox the use the following DNS server address. This is my IP address. In Windows Server, Tools, DNS, click on the Properties, and here in Properties, make sure to checkbox only the following IP address. Okay, click on the server and launch, and the DNS is nicole.local, and you can see here the domain name. Okay, go to the Tools, Active Directory User, and in Computer here you can see the Nicole PC. And step 4, join the domain. In the checkbox, type PC, right click this PC, Properties, Advanced System Settings, and here in Remote, make sure you check the box Allow Remote Connection. Okay. Change domain name, Nicole. See you soon.